Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video, we saw how equals method works with literals, by with two literals or by with two different types of way of creating a string. One with string, literal, and one with object. Now today we will see this equals operator. So let's quickly jump over to the class. Let me rename it string comparison with equals tester. Okay. Now I'll copy this class and change it to with operator. Okay, so let's open this operator class. Let's make space. Let's move everything. Let's do from the scratch. Okay, so let's revert thing. I just want constant, a literal, and this one. Okay, so we have two things again, literal and this. Now let's call how to use the operator. So it works with simple if name equals to. Let's do this later because we have to use this one. YT handle name. So if it is true, equal, let me just print equals, or let's copy and print not equal. Yep. So that's how we use this double equal operator. So at least as a human being, we can read it's same, it's identical. But does it really works with operator? Let's just run this code. So run it, application, and it says not equal. So what actually happens here? It is checking the reference. When we use double equal operators, it checks reference, and we already know this goes in string constant pool. String constant pool. This typo, and this goes in heap memory. So it's clear that both goes in different memory space, so their reference will be different. So when you try to call this with double equal operator, we will get errors. What if I create one more string with some different variable name but the same content like this? Will that be same? Let's try this out. So name, let's say 2, and this time I will pass name, name 1 or name compares with 2. So will that be equal or not? So let's see, then we will refer that image. So this out, just giving us some space here. Okay, so we will check with same string literal type, and it says same. How come? Because previously we saw this image. If we have two different strings, string name and string handle name, so their name goes in stack memory, and from there they refers constant pool. Since their content is same, so Java optimizes that and both variable refer the same. And since the memory reference is same, we are getting equals here. Both name and name2 are string literals. They are referring the same memory address. That's why it's working. What happens if we have two different objects? Like we have one variable yt handle 2. Let's get yt handle 2 name, and I'll copy this content, paste after this. So this time we will compare yt handle 2 name, yt handle name 2 here. So now we are checking two objects, and every time you create new object, it Java allocates a new memory space. So if it is a new object, going to this screen, if we create one more object like this, let's move this image a little bit left side, and let's suppose I am creating a new object with the same content, doesn't matter, but it's a new object for the Java. So what happens? It will create a new memory space in heap. Yep, it won't refer this YT handle name won't refer this CloudRaga. It will create its own space. It's a new object, and this will refer this. So you can see both are sharing a different memory space here. So if it's true, that means even if you compare them with double equal operators, which checks memory reference, it should return false or not equals. So let's see what happens in third equals. And yep, not equal. It's coming from here. That is what in name handle and what in handle name. Both are different objects. They store in different references. They are different reference, and double equals to what? It checks the reference and it results into not equals. So that's how guys we can use equals and this double equals operator. Still there's a confusion? Feel free to put your question on comment section. I'll definitely reply there. Thanks for watching this video guys. Bye.